Hey guys, welcome back for another episode of Tech News. My name is Gaurav. Today's episode is going to be pretty exciting, so please make sure you watch till the end of the video. If you're new around this channel, please make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon so you get notifications whenever I post a video. And now, without further ado, let's get right into the video. There were a lot of leaks and rumors about the Galaxy Note 20 coming on in the Twitter. A lot of people have been claiming that this is going to be the design, this is going to be the design. But this time there are leaks that are officially made by Samsung website. This was not intentional, but Samsung's Ukrainian website, the Samsung's official Ukrainian website, posted two photos of a Galaxy smartphone. That Galaxy smartphone turns out to be the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. The color of the phone that was posted in the website was the Mystic Bronze. There were some of the specifications that were actually in the website claiming that this phone is going to be coming with the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 plus SoC. There were no more specifications that were leaked in the website. There were no RAM disclosure, nothing was there. But there was this thing which mentioned that the display is going to be coming with a 120 Hz refresh rate. Since the photos of these Galaxy Note 20 came out in the Ukrainian website, a lot of people are thinking about when it's going to be released, because the production might have been started, and there are rumors that this phone is going to be coming out on August 5th alongside the Samsung Z Flip 2. There are four color options that are going to be coming in this Note 20 series. That is going to be black, the bronze we've seen already, white or grey, and mint green. For now, this is what we could get to know about the Note 20 Ultra. If you want to get the latest updates on tech news and anything related to tech, please make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon so you get notifications whenever I post a video. And please do make sure you follow me on Instagram as well. I'll leave my Instagram link in the description. Last year when the Asus Rog Phone 2 was announced, it was one of the best gaming phones that was available in the market. It came with 12GB of RAM. It was very powerful. It handled games pretty well. Now Asus has started a countdown on its official website, which indicates that the ROG Phone 3 is going to be releasing pretty soon. And if you look at the timer, you can see that this phone is going to be released on July 22nd. Now let us talk about some of the specifications of this phone. When the Asus ROG Phone 2 was released, it came with 12GB of RAM. The battery was pretty big. It came with the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon SoC. Now the Asus ROG Phone 3 is going to be pretty much better than the Asus ROG Phone 2, because this phone is going to be coming with 16GB of RAM. 16GB of RAM. My computer doesn't even have 16GB of RAM. It runs on 8GB of RAM. But yeah, other than that, it comes with 16GB of RAM. The battery is going to be 6000 mAh. It is going to be coming with the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 plus SoC. But there's a small bad news for the gamers who are going to be buying this phone. This phone doesn't have a 3.5mm headphone jack. That means you're going to have to plug Bluetooth earphones just to play games. But since this is going to be coming with a Type-C charging port, you can just put on your headphone plugs into it and just connect your headphones. But you have to sacrifice charging for it. Even though the battery is pretty big, it has a 6000 mAh battery, so there's no need to worry about the charging. If you just put it full charge for one time and start playing games, you can play it for like 6 hours continuously without charging. Last month when Android 11 was released, Google actually wanted to release Google Pixel 4a alongside the Android 11 with the latest software in the Pixel 4a. But this could not happen because of the pandemic, and there were manufacturing delays that were going on. Since the pandemic was there, no one was coming to the manufacturing unit, so there was a delay in the manufacturing thing. But now we know that the Google Pixel 4a is going to be launching either in July or in August. Now the Google Pixel 3a and the Google Pixel 3A&3AXL have been discontinued officially. The Google officially made an announcement that they are going to be discontinuing the production of Google Pixel 3a and the Google Pixel 3A&3AXL. If you do want to buy the Google Pixel 3a or the Pixel 3A&3AXL, you can buy it through online stores like Flipkart and all, where there is a stock of it. There is no production going on of the Google Pixel 3a, so if there are units that are available online or offline in the stores, you can buy it, but there is no presence of Google Pixel 3a. It just says stocks out in the Google store. So this was all for today's tech news episodes. I hope you liked this video. If you did, yeah, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe, just kill the red button, just subscribe to my channel, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.